Dr. Saab, in terms of the impact that these talks will have, today will have on tomorrow. So there is now less, I'm sure there is less incentive to fail and more incentive to make sure that the 14 hours that they put in actually leads to something. So I think we are probably much nearer to a certain mutually agreed upon document than we could have imagined maybe a couple hours back.
Absolutely. I think there are three evidences that there is significant progress. Not decisive, but significant progress. Number one, the level of delegations. Number two, the size of delegations. Both sides brought experts. So it was not something which was being negotiated only at the political or military level. They brought in experts. You would not bring in a 670, 80 strong delegation unless you want to go into the details and agree on the small print. Thirdly, the fact that these talks have been held in 3 rounds,
Yeah.
which are sequential. So, if there was ever a risk of breakdown, the next round would not have taken place. So, the next round would not have taken place.
Yeah.
So, each round led to some progress which translated into the subsequent rounds. And even when 3 rounds, 3 exhaustive rounds have concluded, still we are looking forward to a fourth round, which proves that there is sequential progress, and now the experts are refining the minor technical details before a concluding session. So I think the manner in which these talks have been held, the duration, the size of the delegation, the level of commitment indicates both sides have decided that both have lot of incentive to bring home some good news.
And this is happening after 47 years, and that's a momentous thing.
Absolutely.
What has happened here is actually, such a big development in terms of U.S.
And it's such
Iranian
a
relations
historic contribution by Pakistan.
for the history books.
Absolutely.